So here we are inside the house. Excuse the flickering, obviously LED lights so they can flicker on the camera weirdly. Yeah, a lot of work to do, obviously. The old fireplace. This used to be 4 rooms. So where we are here, the sink in the corner, there's the tap. That was it in this room, and a table. Then there was a wall coming across just to the right of the door, and that went all the way to that door at the back, which goes through into what will be one day the kitchen. And then just to the right of the fireplace there was another room. This side, you can still see some remnants of the wallpaper. That was the bedroom, or the bedroom that was last used. And then this corner over here was the next bedroom, which I don't think had been used for a long time. It was just, it had 2 wardrobes in it, cobwebs, etc. And then this bit was another room, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was used for livestock because there was a lot of hay in there. But saying that, the whole of upstairs was covered in hay, and I think they used that for insulation. But as you can tell, these beams in this side haven't been painted. There we go. And still in remarkably good condition. We kind of went through them because they all looked a bit dodgy. We went through and stabbed them all, and they're absolutely solid, which is pretty good, you know. They've been here since 1700 and something. We're not exactly sure the exact date. So at the moment, that's where the drainage is going to go out through there. And at the moment, we're now digging out the floor. Just to get down so we can put the new flooring in. This is the, as you can see, there's the mini digger just there, and that's the shovel, and there's the bucket, all by hand. And then it's all going down to the very bottom of the garden where we're making a new hedge. We've got a little boundary which goes onto the neighbour with nothing there, so we're making a small mound hedge with what comes out of here. There is some nice original features in here, which is nice to see. All this had thick blue paint on, some of which can still be seen. But we managed to get them off. Are so nice. We've got a couple of issues on the outside with the beams, but they're fine on the inside. Stones.
Yeah, why?
Bloody stones everywhere. Oh,
Miss?
yeah, a little bit.
Much more of that, do you?
No, I know. See you later.
This one's bare as well.
Fun. Camera's over there, honey.
Where?
Over there.
Okay.
Coming in nice there. One minute.
A rock's there.
Huh?
A lot of rocks there.
Where?
In that pile.
Well, didn't film any more of it today due to the fact the battery went. But here we are. Floor's dug out on this side anyway. Seem to have a lot of wasps in here all of a sudden. Left the door open. So it was kind of do the other half tomorrow maybe, but 36 degrees today, so it's been really hard work, especially doing it all by hand. Absolutely worn out, so we're just gonna crash in the caravan, and then hopefully tomorrow, if we can, we'll do a bit more. Nearly there. One square to do. Certainly shouldn't have picked 37 degrees heat to do it. Never mind. Oh, blisters galore.